going to draw a watermelon. So let's start. Red color. Watermelons are one of my favorite summer treats. They're so green on the outside and bright red inside. What's inside a watermelon? Seeds. We can make them look like little teardrops or tiny triangles. Green color. A watermelon has a skin, or a rind, that is green. Pink. Look at that. Our yummy watermelon slice is all done. Doesn't it look tasty? Thanks for drawing with me today, friends. If you want to draw more cool things, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.